Enhancing the growing potential of your potted plants is a breeze with Oh Yup felt grow bags. If you've experienced challenges growing healthy plants in plastic or terracotta planters, it may be because these pots often provide poor drainage and air permeability, which can lead to root rot, root circling, nutritional deficiencies, and general failure to thrive. Replace those old pots with Oh Yup's eco-friendly, reusable felt grow bags, and you'll see the difference a more natural growing environment can make. These breathable garden bags are made with non-woven, sustainable fabric that's strong, but also water permeable for superior drainage to maintain better soil moisture levels and prevent overwatering. Air permeability also allows for natural pruning and temperature regulation to take place, which supports a healthier root system that maintains more nutritional value and ultimately creates plants with more vitality and growth potential. These fabric planters are made to have both functional and aesthetic appeal, so they can be an attractive solution for both indoor and outdoor environments. And they're also suitable for space-limited gardening in urban settings and on patios and balconies. If that's not enough, these bags are also reusable, have sturdy handles for easy carrying, and are made with no harmful chemicals. Oh Yup bags make it easy to transfer plants indoors for winter, rearrange your garden, play with design and companion planting, and are a wonderful solution for both expert and beginner gardeners. I'm using the 5-pack of 15-gallon bags for some of my larger vegetables and saplings that I want to see robust growth on before permanent planting. Give Oh Yup felt grow bags a try for yourself and see the difference sustainable planting practices can make for your plant babies.